Have you ever been denied an apartment or a loan and felt completely blindsided? It happens to the best of us. But what if there was a free tool available to help you understand your financial reputation? That's where your credit report comes in, and specifically, your Equifax credit report. In today's video, we're diving deep into how to access your Equifax credit report, understand what's in it, and why it matters so much. So, why Equifax? There are actually three major credit bureaus in the United States: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Each one compiles a report on your credit history, including things like your loan payments, credit card balances, and even public records. These reports are used by lenders, landlords, and even some employers to get a snapshot of your financial responsibility. Now, you might be thinking, 3 credit reports? That's a lot to keep track of. Luckily, the law guarantees you free access to all 3 of your credit reports once a year. But for today, let's focus on getting your Equifax report. There are 2 main ways to do this. Option 1, annualcreditreport.com. This is a government-backed website created specifically to give you easy access to your credit reports. Here's the beauty of it. The site allows you to request reports from all 3 bureaus at once, and you can space them out throughout the year to monitor your credit health. When you visit annualcreditreport.com, you'll be asked to verify your identity through a series of questions. It might ask about your address history, past loans, or even phone numbers you've used. Once you're verified, you'll be able to see a summary of your credit report from each bureau. Option 2, My Equifax. This is Equifax's own platform where you can create a free account. Here's the perk. While annualcreditreport.com only allows you 1 free Equifax report per year, My Equifax lets you access your report with them on a more regular basis, up to 6 times a year. However, there's a catch. My Equifax might try to upsell you on credit monitoring products or other services. Don't feel pressured to sign up for anything you don't need. You can simply access your free report and be on your way. Now, let's say you've gotten your hands on that Equifax credit report. What exactly are you looking at? Here's a breakdown of the key sections. Personal information. This includes your name, address, social security number, and date of birth. Make sure everything is accurate. Any mistakes here could impact your credit score. Account history. This is the meat of the report. It details your credit accounts, including credit cards, loans, and mortgages. You'll see information like the credit limit, balance, and payment history for each account. This is where you want to pay close attention for any missed payments or errors. Public records. This section might include bankruptcies, judgments, or tax liens filed against you. Once you've reviewed your report, what if you find something wrong? Don't panic. You have the right to dispute any errors with Equifax. The process is fairly straightforward. You can usually initiate a dispute directly through their website or by mail. Equifax is legally obligated to investigate your claim within 30 days. Here's the bottom line. Understanding your Equifax credit report is crucial for taking control of your financial future. By regularly accessing and reviewing your report, you can ensure its accuracy, identify potential problems early on, and work towards building a strong credit score. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.